loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today's video is a collaboration that I am participating in, and it is being hosted by my new friend, the handsome Zane over at Home with Zane. Now what he's asked us to do is to do a My Tray display collaboration. He wants you to take a tray and decorate it for somewhere in your house, like on your dining room table or your coffee table or something like that. And there were a couple of rules to this. You had to incorporate a vase or vase on it, and you also had to include some type of candle or candle holder. So I looked around my house and I did not have very many trays to choose from, but I did come up with one, and it is this one right here. I'm gonna hold it at an angle so I don't blind you guys with the camera, because it is mirrored completely on the bottom, and then it has this beautiful beveled stones all around the interior and around the exterior of the tray. It's a decent size, and I'm going to decorate it for my coffee table. My coffee table is not very big, so I think this will work out perfectly. So I will link Zane's channel down below, along with the playlist of all the other participants in this collaboration. I'm sure there will be a bunch. I love his channel. If you do not know his channel, you are in for a treat. You will not be disappointed. But let's get to decorating this tray. I think I'm going to try to do something for spring. So here you have my entire tray display. I love how it turned out. I think it's elegant. I think it's spring-like. I think it's very simple too. Starting with the Thrifted vase in the back. I love the green glass and the unique shape of it, where I added just one single stem of peonies. I think it is very much a statement with just one flower in it. Then I have a Bath and Body Works candle on the bottom with a rainbow glass hurricane on top of it, along with this cute little bird. I purchased this at home stores on clearance. And then the boxwood greenery came from Michael's, and the little succulent and mushroom are from the Dollar Tree. So that is it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacey Space, I don't know why not. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We have a lot of fun here. Hang out with us for a while. I want to thank Zane again for including me in this collaboration. Like I said before, I will have his channel linked down below, along with the playlist of all the other participants in this collaboration. Once he has it available, please stop by and show them all some love. I love to see what people come up with in all the different styles and stuff in their own home, to get some inspiration, and so will you. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It is Lacey Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And I'd like to remind you that we only have a couple more days, well, one more day exactly, for that giveaway that I'm hosting with Yode watches over on my channel. So I will link that video down below also. And I will catch you in my next video. Bye, loves.